The strawberry poison dart frogs here, on different islands, you have all kinds of different color. They're not just like slight differences in color, they're dramatic differences. We have red frogs, we have yellow frogs, we have green, we have blue. They look very different, but they're the same species.
These are the most varied and brightly coloured frogs in the world. And Yusan has been running experiments to find out the significance of their wide colour range. She's made robot frogs to test how the territory holders react to different coloured individuals.
These are 3D printed model frogs, and I hand painted them so that they look like the different color types we found on these different islands.
Her equipment enables her to simulate a territory invasion. She glues the 3D printed model onto a motor arm so that she can control its movements. Then she plays the frog's call, which is the same on all the islands. A frog will attack any other frog that enters its territory. They're famous for their wrestling skill, but it's a very civilized sport.
I always like to describe them as two gummy bears going at each other because they don't have claws, they don't have teeth, they can't really hurt each other. It's just like they're just trying to pin each other down.
First, she tested an orange frog on an island where orange frogs predominate. The males of this species vigorously defend their territories. So if one of them hears the calls of another male, he will think his territory is being invaded. And he won't allow that. He becomes physically aggressive, trying to wrestle with the model and pin it down. Next, Yusan tried the orange territory holder with a blue model. This time, the male reacted to the sound, but didn't seem to recognize the blue male as a threat.
In the red population, the frog will be more aggressive toward the red model, and in a blue population, the frog will be more aggressive toward the blue model. But if it's of a different color, then a lot of times the frog doesn't actually recognize it as a competitor.